Inside the world's most advanced food processing factory, a visual tour. Imagine a place where over 1 million meals are processed every single day, with 0 human hands touching the food. Sounds like science fiction, right? Welcome to the future of food. This isn't your neighborhood kitchen or a commercial bakery. This is the most advanced food processing factory in the world, where robots, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge machinery operate in perfect synchrony to feed millions with unimaginable precision and speed. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes visual tour that will change the way you think about the food you eat. Nestlé's Caudry Factory, France. Let's kick off this high-tech journey with the Nestlé Caudry Factory in northern France, often called the culinary cathedral of frozen food production. Here, Nestlé churns out millions of dishes for its global brands like Lean Cuisine and Stouffer's, and it's no exaggeration to say the entire facility operates like clockwork. The factory runs on a series of AI-controlled lines where ingredients are weighed, sliced, cooked, chilled, and packaged, without ever being touched by a human hand. It's the pinnacle of food safety and consistency. Now, you might wonder, with all that automation, are jobs at risk? It's a valid concern, but here's the twist. Nestlé's innovation has actually created more specialized roles in data science, machine operations, and AI supervision than it has replaced. The air is sterile, the ingredients are scanned at a molecular level, and robotic arms move with surgical precision. Honestly, it feels more like watching a sci-fi lab than a food factory. PepsiCo's Smart Factory, Texas, USA. Next up, we head to Texas, where PepsiCo has opened its flagship Smart Factory, a 500,000 square foot marvel that's entirely run by AI, IoT sensors, and predictive maintenance systems. This isn't just about making soda and snacks. We're talking about a fully digitized ecosystem where every movement is tracked, analyzed, and optimized in real time. Conveyor belts operate on smart sensors that detect product flow and adjust speeds on the fly. Machines communicate with each other through cloud-based networks, and digital twins simulate entire production runs before they even happen. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: data overload. Can a system this complex ever malfunction? Surprisingly, no. The factory's predictive AI flags any potential issue before it becomes a problem, meaning downtime is virtually non-existent. The future of big food is here, and it's watching every potato chip with laser focus. Tetra Pak Innovation Hub, Lund, Sweden. From snacks to sustainability, Sweden's Tetra Pak Innovation Hub is a name you need to know. This facility doesn't process food itself, but it builds the technology that processes nearly everything you drink, from juice boxes to dairy cartons. Their Lund-based facility is like NASA for food packaging, and the crown jewel is their aseptic filling machine, a beast that seals liquids in sterile containers without refrigeration or preservatives. This tech revolutionized global food distribution, especially in developing countries. But it comes with one major challenge: sterile precision. Even the slightest contamination could ruin an entire batch. So, how do they handle that? With laser sterilization, 3D scanned microenvironments, and enclosed pressurized clean rooms. This place is so sterile, you have to pass through 5 layers of filtration just to enter a packaging zone. The result? Shelf-stable food that lasts for months without sacrificing safety or flavor. And yes, it's every bit as cool and complicated as it sounds. Bühler's grain processing facility, Uzwil, Switzerland. Welcome to Switzerland. More specifically, Bühler's headquarters in Uzwil, where grains are turned into gold. Not literally, of course, but in terms of global food supply, this facility is a cornerstone. Bühler's factory is the world's most advanced site for cereal grain processing. It's where oats become oat milk, wheat becomes pasta, and rice becomes ready-to-eat meals. The secret sauce? Optical sorting systems that analyze 500,000 individual particles per second, instantly removing anything impure or off-color. It's like facial recognition, but for corn kernels. You might ask, how accurate can it be? Well, so accurate that over 99.99% of defects are caught before they enter the production line. Consumers today want to know where their food comes from, and Bühler's tech makes that more transparent than ever. Fonterra's Dairy Command Center, Hamilton, New Zealand. Now let's talk milk, specifically the largest dairy exporter on Earth, Fonterra. Their Hamilton megaplant processes over 22 million liters of milk per day, and the scale is almost unthinkable. What's even crazier is how automated it all is. Picture this. Milk arrives from thousands of farms, is tested for purity within seconds, then filtered, pasteurized, and turned into cheese, butter, or powder, all in a hyper-efficient cycle controlled by a single digital control room. Some call it the Dairy Command Center. But here's a sticky question. What about waste? That's where Fonterra shines. Plus, real-time data streams from every tank, valve, and pump ensure the milk's journey is 100% traceable. It's dairy, but on a level you've never seen before. Toyota Tsutsumi Food Plant, Japan. Wait, Toyota? The car company? Yes, and they're revolutionizing food manufacturing too. In Tsutsumi, Japan, Toyota operates a lesser-known food-grade production plant, applying their famous lean manufacturing system, Kaizen, to food. The goal? Ultra efficiency with zero waste. The plant focuses on high-protein, shelf-stable meal kits and uses robotics in ways that are mind-blowingly precise. Each robot is trained to mimic human hand movements, but with 10 times the speed and none of the inconsistency. Temperature, weight, humidity, everything is measured down to the micron. Their solution? AI-controlled quality checkers that use machine vision to detect texture and even grill marks on meat substitutes. The result? A meal that looks and feels handmade, but it's all machine perfection. Unilever's Smart Processing Center, Netherlands. Back in Europe, Unilever's smart food plant in the Netherlands is redefining how plant-based foods are made. The facility produces products for brands like The Vegetarian Butcher and Hellmann's, using AI to monitor texture, taste, and even the sound of food as it's processed. That's right, acoustic sensors now help measure food consistency. If a veggie burger sizzles wrong, it's flagged for rework. The challenge? Balancing scale with sustainability. But Unilever's made it work by integrating renewable energy systems, water recycling, and ingredient traceability, all in one closed-loop production model. It's like the Tesla Gigafactory, but for vegan mayo and meat-free nuggets. Mars Chocolate Factory, Illinois, USA. Let's sweeten things up. The Mars Chocolate Factory in Illinois is the real-life Willy Wonka factory, minus the singing Oompa Loompas. Here, candy is engineered with aerospace-level precision. The entire plant is climate-controlled down to the decimal because even a half-degree temperature shift can ruin a chocolate bar. Robotic arms coat, mold, and wrap millions of pieces of candy per hour, while AI ensures color consistency and taste quality. One major challenge here is ingredient volatility. Cocoa, sugar, and milk fluctuate heavily in quality and price. The result? Every Snickers, every Twix, every bite, identical perfection. Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you've got a new appreciation for the tech behind your dinner, subscribe for more jaw-dropping tours like this, and share this video with your foodie friends who still think processed means lazy. Trust me, there's nothing lazy about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your curiosity fresh and your pantry even fresher.